Hello everybody and welcome back. It is Michael from Hallowed Thrills back with another video. And we have a very interesting video today as we are at a very small theme park here in the middle of Pennsylvania. We are here at Lakemont Amusement Park in Altoona, Pennsylvania. This is a very nice, cute little park. They only have 2 coasters here and I think 1 kiddie coaster as well. But the history of this park is why we are here. They have the oldest coaster, the oldest operating coaster in the world here at Lakemont Amusement Park. This coaster is called Leap the Dips, and it was opened in 1902. This coaster is over 100 years old, and hopefully, I know it's kind of, sometimes it's open, sometimes it is, but hopefully it is open today and we get a ride on the oldest coaster in the world. That it would be an amazing achievement for me as a coaster enthusiast to be able to get on that. But we're here for that today. But before we get into it, please make sure you're subscribed and have the notifications turned on to get notified whenever I post a video. And also make sure you're following both Instagram and Twitter. The links are down in the description below. But let's go check out this theme park. So here is the entrance to Lakemont Amusement Park. It's literally like, if you didn't know that there was a theme park back here, you wouldn't know that this was here. It's just a walk-up entrance right here. No tickets to actually get in, but there is tickets to ride things. So it's just like kind of like a Knoebel style thing where to get on stuff you have to buy tickets, but to get in, it's free. And there's a bunch of other things to do here at Lakemont that don't require tickets. So here is an overview of Lakemont Amusement Park. So we have mini golf over to our right. They have a bunch of mini golf here. And then there's basketball courts, batting cages, more mini golf, sand volleyball, playgrounds, concert area. There's Leap the Dips. That's what we're here for, like I said. And then over here, there is the Skyliner roller coaster, which is another wooden coaster here. And there's some antique auto cars and some go-karts. And then there's the Little Leaper kiddie coaster. So we will be able to get 3 credits here if they are open. And there it is. Leap the Dips is open today and the Skyliner is open today. It does not look like the kiddie coaster is though, but that's okay. And here are the tickets. So to ride Leap the Dips is $3 each ride, and then $3 also for the Skyliner. But here you go. We have a really good deal for 20 bucks, $19.95. You get unlimited everything. You can play as many mini golf you want. You can ride the coasters as many times as you want. So to me, that's a pretty good deal. And I have been in contact with the social media people, the PR people here for Lakemont Amusement Park. And I do have permission to film on coasters today. So I do have my GoPro with me. So we will be filming some POVs on both Skyliner and Leap the Dips. So get excited for that. But let's just continue to kind of look around at this park and try to make our way back to Leap the Dips. Here are those basketball courts I was talking about. There are 4 separate courts here, and they're really nice looking outdoor courts. They're kept in really good condition. So walking past the rabbit hole mini golf, we find the batting cage off to our left, and then also we have our spot where we can get our tickets, and you might be able to see the Skyliner back there. But let's go get some tickets. So I did do a lot of debating of just getting tickets, but I decided to get the all-day wristband. It just seemed like more of a deal for me because I want to ride these coasters as much as I possibly can, because it is a 3.5-hour drive out here for me, and I don't know how much I'm gonna get out here again. So I kind of want to get to ride these as many times as I possibly can. So, like I said, we're here to ride these 2 coasters, and for 22 bucks, it's not a bad deal. And this park is really kind of adorable, and it's a Friday right now for me being here, and there's like no one here, so I'm just gonna be able to marathon these coasters. It's gonna be fun. The sign at the front was correct. The Little Leaper does not look like it is open today, so we won't be getting that kiddie credit, unfortunately. But here we are at the Skyliner, and right in front of the Skyliner is the go-kart track. Maybe we'll get some go-karts, but it is included in our pass, so I might just do it just because I can. But look at that. There is the Skyliner right there. It's a nice looking kind of just classic wooden coaster. I'm excited to see how it rides. Now, I did see this over here while driving in, but right next to Lakemont Amusement Park is the home of the Altoona Curve, the minor league baseball team. You know, I grew up going to the Reading Phillies, the Fightin' Phils, and they would always play the Altoona Curve, and I was like, oh, okay. But there's the Altoona Curve Stadium. That's wild that this is like literally, there's the Skyliner, and there's the outfield fence for the Altoona Curve Stadium. That is insane how close this is. I'd be interested to see like how this looks like from the inside of the park, but that is so cool that this is so close to a minor league stadium. All right, we have delayed this for too long now. Let's get our first ride here at Lakemont Amusement Park. We are gonna go on Skyliner, and like I said, I do have my GoPro with me, so let's strap up and get on this coaster. And away we go. We are on the Skyliner here at Lakemont Amusement Park. Our first ride on this today, I'm sure of many. And there's the stadium off to our right. Up we go. Oh. Look at that. Look at that view. That is so cool. Oh, we're already at the top. Oh man, here we go. Oh gosh. That was rough. Whoa! To the brake run. Alright, we got done our first two rides on Skyliner, one in the front, one in the back. How'd you guys like that reverse facing POV? I'm not sure how great it was, but I'll include it anyways just because it's a little bit different. I've never done that before. But I can say in the back, a lot of airtime heading down those hills. But personally for me, I mean, it's an okay coaster. I mean, it's an old wood coaster. It's a little rough around the edges, you know. But it is a classic feeling wooden coaster. I really do enjoy it. I don't know, it's not high up on my list. It really isn't. It wasn't really something that I had to get, but it's still a nice classic coaster, and it does have some very good airtime elements, like I did say, heading down those hills all the way in the back. Super enjoyable. I'll have to get a couple more rides on it, but I think we should head on to the piste de resistance of this park. I think we should make our way down to Leap the Dips. There she is, Leap the Dips, the oldest operating coaster in the world. I think it's finally time we get on this, baby. I'm excited to add this to my list of coasters I've been on. I know it's not going to be very forceful, but it's at least going to be historic to be able to get on this. Someone's on it now. Let's watch him come around. Look at that old school looking train, man. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, the front is like entirely exposed. Here we are at Leap the Dips. They did say it's down for a little bit, so hopefully we can get it in a couple minutes. But here it is, Ace Roller Coaster Landmark. Look at that. That is amazing. Opened in 1902. Wow. And they do have like a pressed penny area right here when you eventually get on it. You can get a Leap the Dips pressed penny. Thank you, Ace. Lakemont recognizes American coaster enthusiasts for its generosity in assisting with funding the ongoing maintenance of Leap the Dips. Stuff like that kind of makes me proud to be a part of Ace. But look at that, an original car from Leap the Dips. Look at that. Those things are classic looking. So cool. But like I said, they're doing some maintenance on it right now. Closed for maintenance. They just put the sign out. So we'll have to kind of just wait around and hope that it comes back up. Well, after an hour, it is officially opened up again, but it is raining. But screw it, we're going to do it anyways because I want to get on it before it possibly closes again. So it looks like we're riding Leap the Dips in the rain. We are pushed out of the station into the chain lift. We got, this bar is just chilling right here. We got no seatbelt. This is insane. And like I said, it is raining a little bit still. But the oldest coaster in the world. First time on it. Woo-hoo! Oh gosh. Oh, here comes our first little drop. Whoa! Oh! And down. Whoa! Whoa! Oh God! Oh no! Not the double down here. Whoa! Whoa! Oh! Oh my gosh! Oh, here's a big drop. Whoa! Whoa! Oh, here we go. Last little bit of bunny hills. Whoa! And of course the handbrake right at the end. Alright, just got off 2 rides on Leap the Dips. It went in the front, one in the back. I could say the front, if you want a really good experience, ride in the front. If you want a extreme experience of your butt literally out of the seat the entire time and on those little bumpy hills kind of just being standing up pretty much, go in the back. But Leap the Dips. I can now officially say I have been on the oldest coaster in the world. It's a fun coaster. It is really old school. It really is. No seatbelt. That lap bar is not a lap bar. It's just basically a bar you hold on to. I was white knuckling the whole time, but it is definitely, it's a coaster if you have the chance of getting on. Just come out and go on it. Just because it's very different than anything else I've been on. It's strange. It is that's all I can really say. It's just a super strange coaster, but a super unique coaster, and like I said, the oldest coaster in the world. How many people can say they've been on the oldest coaster in the world? But I think I'm gonna try to get on it maybe 1 or 2 more times, then go back over to the Skyliner and get on that another couple times, and then I'm done here at Lakemont. Looks like we are down again, but look at that. Look at that old school car. Like I said, no seatbelts. That lap bar is completely stationary. Look, you can even see how the wheels work on this one. And you kind of just ride along the track there. Look at that. Well, she looks like she is closed for the day. One of the cross beams, where the double dip is, one of the cross beams broke, so it looks like she is going to be down for the rest of the day. Good thing we got our 2 rides on it, though. Well, like I said, we got our 2 rides on it. I'm pretty sure she's done for the day. So we're going to get a couple more rides on Skyliner, and then we're going to hightail it out of here, because it's kind of been on and off raining all day, so I kind of want to get the stuff that I need done here and move on. But What a coaster, man. What a coaster, and the people here are super nice. Alright, I got one more ride on the Skyliner before it thundered and they closed it. But we did stop off at the ticket booth and got ourselves a commemorative Leap the Dips ticket. So it's a little bit of a souvenir for me for my time here at Lakemont Amusement Park. It says I rode the oldest coaster in the world. So there you go. We got on a bunch of stuff today. We got on Leap the Dips twice. We got on Skyliner 3 times. Had some POVs on the coasters for you guys. Overall, just a really kind of chill, relaxing day here at Lakemont Amusement Park. If you guys are close out here or have the opportunity to come out here to ride these fantastic coasters, I 100% suggest it. It's a great time. And during the week, at least today on Friday, it has been completely dead. So you can ride these coasters as much as you want. It's super fun. It's super fun. I would highly recommend coming out here. But if you guys did enjoy this video, please make sure you drop a like down below and also comment. Have you rode the oldest coaster in the world? I'd like to know. But as always, I'm Michael from Hollow Thrills giving you the all clear, and all clear means you're out of here. See you guys next time.